Mozzarella, ragu, carbonara.
Tiramisu.
Ito parang masarap, chocolate.
Yeah, I want the pistachio. So wala nang tax yan?
Baka wala na pagkain. Pistachio. Cannoli.
Yeah.
Gusto ko i-try yung cannoli.
Oh, this one.
Chocolate.
This one.
May tiramisu sila, oh. Real to bridge. Kino. Ito ako, cannoli, tiramisu.
Si Ma'am yan.
Yun yung tiramisu at saka
I'll get this one.
bibinggo, oh. Aha, pwede. Ano yung amaretto?
Difference of this one and that other one. I want the soft one there. One, just one.
Yeah, pwede rin tayo dyan magsimula if you want, like later.
Sasakay tayo ngayon?
No, we're gonna go to the...
Ha?
Ito muna tayo sa plaza. Hard Rock Cafe. Ito mo, maganda yung paling hotel natin. Ang lapit sa ano, center. Ayun yung plaza, piazza. Ay, ang ganda. Ma-picture, oh ganda.
Here?
Ma-picture, ganda dyan, oh. This is our hotel.
Tignan kung paano sila
Hotel Caballetto. Itong hotel namin. Hindi, madali lang yan.
Ay, napapunta sa kanila yung merong gamot ko sa'yo.
Pogi naman sa atin ba? Gusto niya yung pogi sa atin. Pogi. Yung kumakain.
Pogi naman yung pogi.
Yung gutom.
Pogi sa atin.
5 na sila, di ba?
Lima. Sa ako muna? Oo.
Yeah. Ayun, ano mga uli, baka nagkakamali ako. Kung magkano.
Ay, hindi balance.
No balance.
No, it's because you are three.
Three.
You are three. When you are like 3 or 5, the gondola stay more in one side.
See, see.
If you don't like so much, the two people that stay close to me, you have to stay more in the left.
Yeah, I'll be in the center. Look, Mira.
You are perfect.
I'm
The others
okay.
have to stay more in the left.
Okay.
Where are you from, ladies?
Houston. From Houston, Texas.
Houston. Ah, Houston.
Ano, video ka na. Dali. Video na. 30 minutes na.
Houston Rockets.
Yes.
Can we include you in our picture?
I will try to do my best if you want.
Where are you, Marianita
You
Ilaw?
need to see to... Ah, selfie?
Yeah.
That's not a picture. Hang on 1 second. I messed up. Where is it?
Wait a second.
Okay, where you go?
Wait a
1,
second.
2, 3. Okay.
I try to do the best.
Oh.
Thank you. That's our hotel.
You're welcome.
Yeah, that's our hotel.
That's our hotel.
Asuracion Generali. Asicurazione.
Wow, that's our hotel right here.
Ano na, music?
Not yet.
Oh, you can put the music.
There's music.
Put the
Mami. Teka, para kasama ako sa...
What's your name again?
I can say to you.
Oh,
My
okay.
name is Gian Maria.
Okay.
Jean Maria.
Nice to meet you.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm Maria.
Yeah, it's like Giovanni and Maria.
Oh, okay.
And
Jam.
my name is Maria.
Puoi mettere a posto.
Oh, wow.
Oh, say, doble, syempre.
Sì, sì.
Sisi.
Tra una volta
Sì.
mi dai, aspetta, vieni pure avanti, Gian Maria.
Oh, I'm videoing the video.
Taking picture.
There. I'm videoing the video.
Dimmi cosa faccio, Matteo.
Mami, tingnan mo, video.
Io so già che quando tutto il giorno ho beccato voi due qua, non c'è stata una volta che avete detto vieni pure e non fermarti. Una volta.
Tatandaan ko na yung mundo.
Oh, babangga tayo, babangga.
Vedi, mi offri da bere dopo, tranquillo. Dopo sì, quando è finita probabilmente alzi il telefono. Poi dopo.
Buon vegliati.
No, stasera stai con
Hindi mo kumante. Oh, mga galing. Grand Canal.
So are these,
I think the water here is getting up.
6 hours.
It can go up.
6 hours goes down.
okay.
Depends by the
Oh.
Oh, the rain.
Are these all hotels?
Sorry, madam.
Hotels everywhere or
Residential.
residential?
No, now we are between San Marco and Rialto area. So usually this area is only historical, tourism, business area. Like you see View, Star Hotel, splendid. Here it's very difficult that people live. If someone live there, it's someone with a lot of money.
Mm.
Usually this is not a local area.
Okay.
It's all historical buildings.
Historical. Ooh. hindi.
It's like a little
This
bit.
is your...
Better
Oh.
than the first one.
Really? You just started yesterday?
Yes.
Oh my
We
god.
got a new driver.
I saw a lot of tutorial on YouTube.
YouTuber.
No, don't worry. Like a job, 8 years. But
We're not scared. We can swim. No.
The problem is the dirty, madam.
I know.
Tingin-tingin.
I can't walk much, but I can swim.
But my first time in a gondola, I was 5 or 6 years old.
Oh, okay.
Don't worry, try to trust me. I know
Are
that
there people who come and then ride gondola at night?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Night.
yes.
But there's no light.
But there's no light.
Yeah, but for the people it's romantic.
Oh.
I don't see,
So
I don't
lovers,
talk, and I don't. I don't see, I don't talk, I don't listen, and I do the ride. No, no. But usually in the night time, but now it's quiet all of the day because we're not in summertime, we're in spring.
Yeah,
There's
it's
so
spring.
many people.
Yeah, no, there are not so many people, so you can also relax now. But summertime, it's very
More crowded.
yes during the day. So
Oh yeah, and it's hot, right? It's hot in summer.
It's hot in
Yeah,
summer.
yeah. And so the nighttime people come because it's quiet.
Yeah. The weather, no, is ideal.
I like spring. It's not hot. It's not too cold.
Same place, same place, same place. Yes.
I
Yeah,
smoke
take a
ali,
picture
eh,
the
and,
area. Wow. Ayan na. Natupad na ang pangarap natin. Mm.
So you include me in your videos, Teresa.
Yeah, you have a video. You're in the video. Ready yan. Marami. Ayan.
Got the visit one. Supposed to be the floor, the first glass. Baka nandun yung glass.
We're going out the Grand Canal. Transporting.
Yes.
It goes out to the sea.
Now Grand Canal.
Oh, wow.
Grand Canal.
Yes, with the Alto Bridge in the right.
Yeah, we were there earlier. Woohoo.
Oh, this one. That's
We're going out there. Yeah, we went there.
Right.
Yan ang Rialto Bridge. Oh, wala tayong picture dyan. We go there and the picture tayo mamaya. Yan ang Rialto Bridge.
naman pala ako.
Rialto. Oh. Yan, lalabas kami ng Rialto Bridge. Yeah, Rialto. Yan.
be Spider-Man to arrive in the second one. The third one. So like a jail, it's only first floor.
Yeah.
Almost all the hotels, I mean houses, no AC, right? No AC.
No air
No.
conditioning.
No AC.
Mostly.
No, I don't understand the question. Can you repeat the question, please?
Like most of the
Most
hotels?
hotels.
No,
do
no
not have
AC. Air conditioning.
Yes, we have the air conditioning. In
Oh.
this case, this pala that you are talking, I don't know because I never entered inside. But
Oh.
usually, yes, we have it. Summertime, it's very, very hot, madam. We have
Uh-huh.
like 30, between 35 or 30 Celsius, sorry, 35. Oh,
Kaya mahal mga hotel. Ay, we're already here. Yes, we're here. Nakita ko na yung Malaki. Yeah. Dinaanan natin kanina eh.
Nag-lock tayo.
Yeah.
Not based on our time, it's the same right. Because with this, usually we don't touch together. Usually they know that there's ladies, you want a picture together.
Yes.
My point of view.
Yes. You're okay. Gracias. Doon pa. Maya yung doggy palace. Oh. Ito sa tapat na picture tayong tatlo ay ng Palazzo Ducati. Picture time, Mom. We're going for Island Hopping. Morano and Borano. We got a day pass for 25 euros. Right here. Near. Near the Magano pala to. Kaya pala parang nahihilo ako. Okay lang. Morano Morano. Ano, Juliet? Morano. Nakaupo din. At least open air. Morano na yan. Sa kare. Bagay, lakad is fine. Yan, maganda yun. Picture. Glass. Trattoria. Valmaranda. Oh, yun ba yan? There's mommy. Mommy is up there. May video. Pag akyat, may video. Ba yan? Lahat may video. Pagbigyan. Pagbigyan ng turista. Oo po, hindi kakain. O, mamaya. Pagbigyan. Yan lang pala eh, para lang uupo eh. Para ka naman ginaganyan na sa room. Doon talaga kami sa piyasa. Kumain. Ayun nga no. Wala ba yung may parang naging na moral?
Oh, look at her. It's cute.
Beato Flora. Mami, may mga ano sila, open tank. Made of glass. lakad pa more. May nagbo-blow para pag lumobo. Ay, iba na yung ano niya.
Iba na nga.
Ay, iba yung kulay.
Kasi yun kanina yung ano sa bunganga. Tinakina. Tinakina.
So, itong nasa bucket, malamig na tubig.
Aha.
Oh,
Para
malamig na
pang
tubig
shake. Pang shake.
para tumigas siya, ma-shape na siya.
Shake na siya.
Hindi, binibenta din nila yan. Yun, meron silang ano doon, tindahan sa harap. Hindi, talagang ito yung factory nila, ay yung gawaan. Borano. Borano. Ay, maganda na mag-picture, oh. Colorful. Color ka dyan. Ang ganda nga naman, oh. Oh, mami, oh, feeling mo talaga nasa Italy ka. Shut up. There's mommy. Barbie Primavera. Follow the people. Para walang Mom's tired. Oh. Ay, it's so pretty here. Wow. Ang ganda nga naman. Sana, mami, konting lakad na lang, oh. Ayaw. Pero nakita mo yung mga houses doon na colorful, yan sa tabing dagat. Yun ang maganda eh. Balikan natin doon mamaya.
Senti.
Oh, yan pa pala. Maganda pala dyan kasi kita pa yung araw. Okay, walking tour of Borano. Ang video. Eh, yan, ganda oh. Eh, parang hindi tayo akit ang tulay. Ito. Itong uso dito lace. Mga lace, ayan. Ang mga tinda naman nila. Specialty is lace. Gusto mong picture doon sa beach? Tapos, background mo yung colorful houses. Campanili. So pretty. Small fishing village. Borano. Para walang katao-tao. Uso nga dito is ano? Uso pala dito ang lace, embroidery. Lace. Kanilang specialty. Really? It's almost 11. Ito na naman po kami, blooper of the night. 70 kilometer lang ang kanilang limit sa highway. Mga 40. Ay nakalagay yun, 70. Ito na si Mami. Nasa Milan na. Walking again. Private residence. Ayan. We're going to the Last Supper. Yan ang bilin mo kay Gabi. Electric car naman. We're in Milan, going to the church where they have the Last Supper baby. Via della Maria della Grazia. Bakit naman? Lakad pa more. Mommy, nag-stare ng subway. Wawa naman. Yan. Nag-subway kami. Ako siya na-stare. Pero mahal mo. Look at the church. Wow. Okay, let's go to the front. Tagilid yan. Patingin.
Naglalakad ka.
Patawa. Paul. Wow. Juliet, where do you wanna eat? Ayan o, bili mo. Agulat naman. Ayan. Ayan muna, mag-Rolex muna tayo. At saka, long jump. Ayan. Halika, picture na tayo. Alam, magsha-shopping pa kami ni Juliet eh. Kailangan itapon namin yung aming mga pera. Picture lang. gonna walk and take pictures later. We're just really tired. GoPro. Enjoy it. We're resting because we're tired.
Oh. Okay, okay.
Maganda dun sa puno. Puno. The shade. Mami, tingnan mo yung estatwa sa taas. Alam mo to, extra. Dito na itatrap yung mga nakapasok. Tapos dyan nila papanayin. May nakaiwan ng sapatos. Open pa yung museum. Close na. May museum sa loob. Hindi palabas na yata yun. Exit. Diba? Can walk around. That's the side of the church. Dumo. Oh, hawak. Mamaya may dura. Wipe? Di ba ito? Oh, may wifi area doon pala. Ito na kami. Lakad-lakad. Nauna na. Kasi kahapon wala ng ticket. So, we're coming back today. Hindi may ticket ako nakita sa group. Oh, yan. Oh, ito na yung mall. Vittorio Emanuel.
Pangalan na rin.
Galleria Vittorio Emanuel.
Vittorio Manuel.
Ito na yung piazza. Piazza di Duomo. Buti. Wala pa. And that's the mall. Tingin. Juliet, mommy. We're going to Varena. Lake Como has already. What time is it? 12. Looking for a train. Platform 8. So busy. Wala pa. Ano masabi mo? Sa bakasyon? Pagod? For today's video. Pagod? Grabe naman. Memorable. Alam ko na, huwag ka na magkape.
Hindi ako nagkape, di ba?
Nagkalimaga, nagkape ka. Yeah, huwag kang iinom ng kape sa maga. Pagpaalis, aalis eh. Hindi naman daming tao, oh. Holiday daw. Ito po material leches niya. nalago.